The best way to start the day. Breakfast in the UK. One of the most famous dishes in the UK is the full English, or fry-up. It's made up of eggs, bacon, sausages, baked beans, and toast, and can also include black pudding, fried mushrooms, and tomatoes. A full English breakfast takes a lot of time to cook, and it's quite unhealthy to eat every day. So a lot of British people only eat it at the weekend. On weekdays, most people eat something lighter for breakfast, like a bowl of porridge or breakfast cereal. Another popular choice is to eat buttered toast with jam or marmalade. No English breakfast is complete without a cup of tea. Breakfast in Kazakhstan. Breakfast is an important meal for Kazakhs. Traditional breakfast food in Kazakhstan includes lots of dairy-based products such as milk and ayran. During the week, especially in the cities, people prefer to eat fried eggs, porridge, bread, jam, milk and berries for breakfast. Tea is the most popular morning drink in Kazakhstan. It's the perfect way to start the day.